factor corporations there. Let me just ask you here what a
No
fellow...
intention to do that, Margaret.
Okay. A fellow Republican, Congresswoman Nancy Mace of South Carolina, was on this program a few weeks ago, and I want to play something she said because she says she is anti-abortion rights, but she has an exception for rape and incest. Listen to her.
I'm a rape victim myself, and when you realize what's happened in your life, the trauma, the emotional, the mental, the physical trauma in a woman's life, that decision, she should make that decision with her doctor and between her and her God.
How do you respond to her? Are you open to exceptions for rape and incest?
I think it's tragic what Nancy went through, and my heart goes out to every single woman who's had to go through that situation. I don't know what that's like. What I would say is that I believe every life is precious. Our trigger law does reflect that if it's to save the life of a mother, that an abortion is still illegal. And we know so much more using technology and science than we did even 10, 15 years ago about what these babies go through, the pain that they feel in the womb. And we'll continue to make sure that those lives are protected. And I just have never believed that having a tragedy or a tragic situation happen to someone is a reason to have another tragedy occur.
So
I
no
would
exception
prefer that we
for rape or
continue to make
incest?
sure we go forward and that we're putting resources in front of these women and walking alongside them, getting them the health care, the mental health counseling and services that they should need to make sure that we can continue to support them and build stronger families far into the future as well.
So no exceptions?
You know, this is a debate that's going to continue to happen from state to state, Margaret.
Yep.
And I think that's what's unique about the United States of America. I love that about this country, is that we have a very limited federal government. The Supreme Court did its job. It fixed a wrong decision it made many years ago and returned this power back to the states, which is how the Constitution and our founders intended it.
Right.
So the fear tactics I hear coming out of so many people, from so many pundits and those in the media,